Brad Williams, Excel primed. Show the combined scores for rounds 1 and 2 in a new list. Rows. We're going to look at some row stuff here. We have round 1, round 2. Why are we going with golfer? Well, why not? You can put anything you want in here. You can put something more practical. Golf is simple. Hopefully everyone understands golf and knows the scoring mechanism. Here we have just golfer across in rows. And we're just going to combine these using, well, what did we use last time? And I mentioned we have two different stacking functions within Excel. Online, we can use the VStack, which is vertical. Now we have horizontal. We're doing the exact same thing. We're just using rows. We're going to chop off the same methodology here using VStack and HSTACK as we would in any other application. We have the drop function here. We could go into, you can go in here if you want. Drop HSTACK C4 F7. What we're looking at, we're all array driven. Starting right to left, -1 is married to what? The drop. Our first function would be HSTACK, C4 F7. Look here, array, mandatory. C4 to F7. What is C4? Leanne, just the golfer. The next is F7. We're going to package up this list here. Remember building block, Lego number 1? This is Lego 1. Here is Lego 2. We just put some super glue between those two. They show up here. Without the drop, we would have all 3 under HSTACK. We throw all of this over into drop, and drop gets rid of. Starts at the bottom here and goes up. Gets rid of that round 3. Here's a very short narrative. There's a very short anatomy. Here's the breakdown. Here's an explanation. HSTACK just lets you combine lists and joins data to the first blank cell to the right or to the left. Horizontal stacking. Practice. Play around with the numbers. See what kind of masterpiece you can derive. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.